underway here between the Triumph and Tormenta. And now here come Tormenta on the break. Jay plays it forward. And coming well off his line is Christensen. Quick giveaway, Boschwa trying to catch him off guard. And an off-the-line clearance practically keeps this one from going in the goal. The wherewithal to cover up for your keeper when he goes out. As this corner kick swings in. Doesn't get very far, but they could have a second crack at it. Much better service here. Header towards goal! And the header combination gives Tormenta the early lead. A quick 1-2 noggin punch for the visitors. On the right-hand side, the cross popped away, but one back by Tormenta. Here's Thorn. Thorn plays it into the middle, save. Christensen getting his hands on that one a moment ago.
Just lovely little 1-2. It's just a great turn by Thorn. Around the ball a little bit in the first 10 minutes, but it's been very quiet since then.
Ajay light on his feet, slips it through. Boschwa the shot, and it finds its way through. It is a 2-0 lead for Tormenta on the road.
Ajay turning provider this time. He's been hard at work trying to get this stadium situation sorted out for Greenville.
Volleyed shot just going wide. Volleyed effort. Boschwa. So the next step is getting into in-game sharpness as Ajay takes the shot and it's just wide. This stoppage time is presented by Engineered Sleep. Ball swings inside. It's somehow cleared off the line. Did it go across? Another ball serviced inside. Headed down the middle, Filerman. He slices that one. And there's the final whistle.